guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be nothing over $10. So I do have my face moisturized, my First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is $30. And I also have my Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream on as well. I'm letting that all sit into the skin. So now I'm going to go into primer. I'm going to use my E.L.F Hydrating Face Primer. I haven't used this in a really long time, so hopefully it works good for me again. I am currently breaking out. I don't know if you could tell, I'm breaking out over here, down here especially, so hopefully I can cover all that.
I know you guys might be distracted by my nails in this video. The lighting makes it lime green, but they're actually yellow. But some of them are cute though. Anyways, let's get back.
I'm going to go in with foundation. Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth in 220 Natural Beige. I always used to mix the E.L.F booster drops. I barely have anything left, so I'm going to put some drops in there. And then I'm going to mix it all up. Hopefully it goes good with this primer. I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques base sponge.
I usually do my eyebrows first, but I was so excited for this video that I completely skipped it. Because after moisturizer, I go right into foundation. So before moisturizer, I do my brows, but can't believe I completely forgot about brows. Wow, I like the finish on this. I really like, wow, the primer and the drops and the foundation. It does not look dry at all. Wow, I really thought my skin was gonna get super dry, honestly. Like concealer and like powder or anything, I really like the way it looks. I hope that powder does not mess it up, because a lot of powder dry me out. I really like the dewy look, but I will start creasing, which is just like ridiculous.
So I'm gonna go into brows, and I'm gonna leave the foundation on my hand because I like to clean up the top of my brows with foundation, but the bottom of my brows with concealer. So for brows, I'm gonna go in with my NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. Now I'm gonna fill them in. I'm gonna take my NYX Tame Frame Tinted Brow Pomade in Espresso. For concealer, I'm going to take, I have two concealers here that are my all-time favorite drugstore concealers. I have the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Erase Dark Circle Treatment Concealer in Sand Sable. Then I have the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in CW03.5 and CW04. With CW04 for under the brow. I'm going to take this brush that I got in my Ipsy bag and put some concealer in the back of my hand.
Put that on. I need some more concealer on the eyelids.
With the Maybelline concealer, and I'm going to put this on the bottom of the eyes, bridge of the nose, a little on the forehead, Cupid's bow, and the chin. Let that sit for about 2 minutes. I like to let my concealers sit. I wait for the concealers to sit. I'm going to set my my under eyes. I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Powder in the shade Banana Yellow. I'm going to take a fluffy eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to set the lids. blend out the concealer in all the creases, and then I'm going to set it. I like to let the concealer sit on the face for 2 minutes because when you blend it in instantly, it doesn't give you that right creamy coverage. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you guys are interested in short tutorials, I actually have on my Instagram. That's what I've been doing for the time being. I've been just doing videos on Instagram, short tutorials, so definitely check out my Instagram. I'll leave it right here on the screen, and definitely subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you guys want to see on here on YouTube and on my Instagram as well. So I'm gonna blend out all my creases, and then I'm gonna look up and set it. With my ʟᴏᴏ facial spray. This one is the green one. It's with aloe, cucumbers, and green tea. I'm almost done with this, so I'm just gonna use whatever's left. These two Profusion palettes. I got these at TJ Maxx. They're originally $9 to $10, and I got mine for $6.99 each at TJ Maxx. Ouch, my head. So I have the Siennas palette, which is like basically like a neutrals palette, and then this is backwards. Then I have the Pro Pigments. So I'm gonna go in with Dynasty. It's like a burnt orange. So I'm gonna go with Dynasty all over the crease. I'm gonna take a Zoeva, what is this, 220 Luxie crease. I'm gonna take a bit of Groovy, which is this chocolate brown. I'm gonna pop the brown into this eye as well, blend it out as much as I can, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna take my Morphe M505 fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna blend it all in with no product. Should I cut the crease? I'm gonna do like a halo. I'm gonna go back in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm just gonna do like a small halo. I'm gonna take Conquest right there in the lid, and I'm not gonna set the concealer. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take my Luxie 243 Precision blending brush, and I'm going to go back into Dynasty and Groovy. So I'm going to take the mini Morphe Bronze AOA Studio F13.
I like a lot of bronzer. So yeah, I like to be bronzed, really bronzed. So that's a problem with that. I don't know what to tell you. Bye. Oh god, I paid too much.
This is the E.L.F. Shimmer Highlighting Powder in Pearl Gold. There we go. It is not picking it up. I'm going to pop that on. This is my favorite drugstore. Well, one of my favorite drugstore highlighters. I'm gonna pop some of this highlighter on my inner corner and also on the brow bone. I'm gonna go in with some brow gel and then eyelashes. So I'm gonna take my E.L.F. Clear Duo Brow Gel, and I'm gonna take my Moroccan Magic Argan and Essential Oil Lip Balm. I love this. I got this in a Ipsy bag. So I'm gonna go in with Zoe Sweet brand. I like to use my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloes. Got to clean up my bronzer at the bottom, so I'm gonna do that right now. It's from AOA Studio, my Airspun powder, and I'm just gonna clean up. I'm just gonna clean up the bronzer real quick. I clean that up. I'm going to pop on my lashes. I just want a tutorial on how to apply eyelashes. I'm not the best, but I wouldn't mind showing you guys. So definitely let me know what you guys are interested in down below. You guys could even let me know on Instagram. If you guys do, go follow me and like my videos there. So yeah, enough of me rambling like I've been doing. I bet you this video is gonna be super long. Anyways, let me let these dry and pop them on, and I'll be right back. Eyelashes make the biggest difference. So this eye has an eyelash on and this one doesn't, and you see how like completed this look is. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Mascara for my top lashes, my E.L.F Beautifully Bare Naked Noir mascara for my lower lashes, because the wand is a lot smaller. So this is the wand for the telescopic, and this is the wand for the bottom lashes. So I'm gonna pop that on and I'll be right back. My cousin taught me to press your natural lash with the falsie so they could blend better. So I'm actually gonna go in with my Ulta Beauty matte liquid lipstick in the shade, it's from the Makeup by Melissa palette with Ulta. Then I'm gonna go in with my E.L.F Makeup Mist and Set. So yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys do enjoy. This look. Definitely check me out on Instagram. I've been posting a lot on there, so definitely follow me on there. That's where I'm active the most. So if I don't post a video on YouTube, I'm on Instagram, so definitely go check out the videos that I have posted there. I really hope you guys enjoy this. Subscribe, like, and comment. Oh, I love you guys. Stay tuned for more because I'm definitely coming back. So see you guys in my next one. Bye.